There's one. Yeah. Hey, buddy. Morning, everybody. Welcome back to Fishing with CP. I'm Chris Pierce. It is May 21st, 2020. It's 7 in the morning, 64 degrees. It's going to be 75. I could not be more excited today. We're heading down to, we're in Joplin, Missouri, but we're heading south to Little Sugar. This will only be the second time I've ever river fished, so it'll be interesting to see how the old Hobie does. I gutted it. I'm not taking batteries, fish finders. I don't even think I'm going to take my pedals. I'm just going to take the paddle. So it'll be interesting to see how that big old girl does. So it's rained, but we haven't had any rain in maybe 4 days. So we called down there. We're meeting a girl named Melissa. She's got a Facebook page. She does reports on all these little creeks and rivers down here. So, boy, I got high expectations today. Smallmouth fishing, whopper ploppers, shallow crankbaits, square bills, drop shots. I've got high expectations, and we got a few other little river gadgets. But like I said, it's only been the second time I've ever river fished for, and I'm really, this will be a creek. But anyway, I'm gonna take you out there on the ride with me. Let's go out there and catch them. See you out there.
And then my #1 kayak river. Oh my God, I like it around.
That ain't no lie. Already better what? I'm already fishing, huh? I don't know what you're doing. Put this damn whopper plopper Berkeley on the wrong reel. You know what we need for the river is a power pole that goes on the back. No, so you can, if you catch a fish, it's electronic, just like a power pole in a boat, and you just put it down. Yeah. Oh yeah. Forgot you already have that. I think I will put my rudder down because I can still steer with it. After you.
That wasn't bad.
Nope. First time I've ever paddled it like that.
And it did well.
Should have brought my fly rod, maybe.
Yeah.
Let's try this little, look at this little mini square bill.
Oh yeah. Here's what this is the #1.
Yeah, down there where it's, you got one? Ah. Oh, don't try and go get it.
Oh, I'm going to get it.
That's a mistake. There's one. Yeah.
It's gonna be cold, bud.
Well, good luck. The current's so strong I can't get this guy. What's that? Oh, good. On the board, baby. Look at this guy. JP's hung up. He's... Woo! I love smallmouth, brother. There he goes. There he goes. Good luck.
Appreciate you.
It's probably a 5-pounder that you just think is stuck.
Stop.
Oh, nice.
Not even a fish.
Yeah, I think that's my thoughts. Got one.
Nuh-uh.
Little guy.
Well, you really
Little.
now he's got to show off.
He's freaking out though.
See how many holes you miss when you just...
Yeah.
It's just impossible to hit them all.
Yep.
Especially when it's flowing this time.
Yep. Dude, this is awesome. I mean, we got a little rapids here. I gotta get some flip-flops. Yeah. Woo! This is awesome is what happened. Come on, baby. Got a little one. They like these low profile baits. Oh shit. Oh god, now he's got me stuck. Now I got it. I mean, don't get me wrong, it hurt. Here's your great grandma, buddy. I'm using a white with a purple bottom accent on it, actually. Real pretty bait. And an 8-pound line, extra light. Oh, extra light rod. Well, it's a medium light with double extra fast. Yeah. No, I see that.
I think this is where the weed was last time. Yeah, it's sitting right up there on the top of that fucking peak right there.
Well. Oh boy. Nice, I saw it.
That's a great hole right there.
All right, we pulling over?
Yeah, I mean,
Just get over in the stuff. Just gonna get over in the slow. Dude, your fish is on shore hanging out. And he was plopping around. You freaking kidding me with this place? I mean, ridiculous. Beautiful. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. What I love about this is I can just put my rudders down, especially if it's deep enough, and just steer through this stuff. Okay. You go left side? See, we should probably, where it's deep right here, we should probably pull over and fish those. Not this time, it's too late now, but like we need to throw something in there that and work it in these pillars.
I agree.
Found a lot of big pools though yet. I got one. See him right in front of you? Man, they just take forever in that current.
Oh, dude, it's so pretty too.
Yeah. Boy, a big one. I can't imagine a big one in this current.
I have to go get, I have to go in and get the others for my bass. You don't see much.
Do what? Really? Are you serious? All right. Woo! You're fun. What's that? Yeah. The other word for that's crazy.
Yeah.
That's gonna go out in the middle.
No worries.
Yeah, you don't care. Guy's crazy.
This is a little dip. I thought it'd just go down the old thing.
And it's picking up speed.
Yes, it is, CP. And look at me.
You're gonna have to get it.
Are you filming this?
Oh yeah. Just push my boat down, he says. All right, I'm gonna put a little bigger square bill on, chrome, blue, and gold. I've been using those little profiles and been catching little fish, so let's see if we can use a bigger bait, bigger fish. And then we need to find some schools, some eddies, what we need to find, but the water's really up and they're strong. But we're having a good time. Caught 4 so far, but nothing big. I can see why. This is... You can't tell me they're not in here, man. I might have one on. I can't really tell. Yeah, I got one on. Well, they're just little guys. My first one was pretty good, but... surgery. Holy shit. Crazy. I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it. No, I got it. Woo! That rudder makes a big difference. I just watched one follow it up.
The dedication I have to getting my lure.
I think it's called stubbornness.
Huh?
I think it's called stubbornness. Hey, rockfish.
At least they're biting.
I literally got a rock.
So happy.
I'm gonna keep that.
I don't know how to eat.
There's one.
Boy,
Yeah.
better than nothing. I'd take that action right now.
Yeah.
I'm sure these guys are just killing it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they both got, looks like Jacksons. Jacksons are good river boats. We still got to load up before it trucks down.
There's a fishy. Little brief. Huh? Hey, buddy.